My kids are dancers, performers. Stage ready sparkle is the necessity. And these are the 15 millimeter crystal halo studs. They are going to bring instant glam. From the moment I opened the box, I knew that I had the right earring because we always lose these. And it's a constant panic. Where's my earring? Where's my earring? So there are, I believe, 8 sets in here. There is no more panic. They are cost effective and bold enough for the stage, but polished enough also if you want to wear them to formal events. I like that there is a quantity, so we're not running around like crazy people looking for a lost earring right before stage. Super easy on the ears. Even after those long days of performances or dress rehearsals, they stay put, push backs, they hold securely in place, and fast costume changes and active movement. No slipping, no adjusting needed. Performance perfect shine. Really, under the lights, these just sparkle like crazy. And they're ideal for a dancer as how we're going to use them. Theater or anywhere you need your accessory to shine. Final verdict, if you're like me, you lose these things constantly. I don't know what happens. They take them off, they put them somewhere. And to keep a stash on hand at a comp is really a smart thing, but perfect for dancers, performers, or really anyone who wants to light up the room without a fuss. Highly recommend.